This is Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing a post-repair lateral inspection at 27 Green Springs Court. We pushed out to where we pushed out initially by the locate. You can see we're hitting the piece where it goes from PVC to clay. We cannot get the camera by this for some odd reason. You see, we just run right into that little pocket there and we cannot get it by. Doesn't seem to be too much of a turn or anything. It just hits into that offset and won't skip by. See, I believe that's probably dropping down into the main right there, or hooks onto that clay. Coming back, it is drained, it is open and flowing. There's quite a few little bellies in here. Is Schedule 35 PVC. At some point we pull back into a repair. We repaired the two ends. It sat with backfall. It doesn't hold too much water. You see there's a repair there. Holds about an inch of water in the repair. So we'll pause here and we'll get pushed up to the house line and resume the recording. Alright, resuming our recording. Right here we're looking at the house line. Still 4-inch. Schedule 35. Going back. There we pull back through a piece of pipe that just got pushed too far into the valve, and then we pull underneath some water there, clean it off. The piece just got pushed a little too far into the valve. We'll pull it out and clean it off. That piece. Something might be cracked there on the left hand side. Include the video there. I'll pull back. Yeah, I get a footage. There we're back at the clean out.